Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus 13, and today I will show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. Now, to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which will come provided with a device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, turn on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Next, if you have a case on your device, you will need to take it off, as the tray is located at the bottom of the device. Now, you do have two places where it looks like you could insert this little pin. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout right here. So the one closer to the corner of the device. Next, push the pin in, like so, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. Once you do so, you have space for two different SIM cards. You can place one on either side. Now, if you're planning to use just a single SIM card, it doesn't matter if you use top or bottom. Make sure that the card is clipped in place correctly. It should not be protruding from the tray, and it should definitely not be falling out of it if you flip it upside down. Once you insert the card, it should start working right away. Let's give it a second. There we go. As you can see, it pops in with the SIM card pin. So I'll need to unlock my SIM card, and there we go. That's all you need to do to have the SIM card start working. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.